In 1944, the Philippines stumbled into one of the strangest chapters in Philippine political history. It was the month the country had not one, not two, but three presidents. I am Mona Magnovelus. I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. August 1944, gitna ng World War II noon. May dalawang magkalabang gobyerno na parehong nagsasabing sila ang lehitimong pamahalaan ng Pilipinas. The first was the Philippine Commonwealth Government, which had become a government in exile to the US and was led by President Manuel L. Quezon. Sa Japanese-occupied Philippines, itinayo ng mga Hapon ang Second Philippine Republic with Jose P. Laurel as the appointed president. Pero may nangyari noong August 1, 1944. Sa Saranac Lake, New York, namatay si Quezon dahil sa tuberculosis. His death automatically elevated Vice President Sergio Osmeña as President of the Commonwealth Government. Kaya noong Agosto 1944, tatlo ang naging Pangulo ng Pilipinas, si Quezon, si Osmeña at si Laurel. Only 2 months later, Osmeña returned with MacArthur during the Leyte landings, while Laurel's government collapsed as Japan's control weakened. Ang digmaan ang nagpasya kung aling gobyerno ang mananatili. Siguro ito ang paalala ng August 1944. Ang kasaysayan at politika ay magulo. Kailangan magparamdam ng pagtutol at paglaban upang manaig ang mga pinunong aalagaan ng bayan. O diba?
Meow meow.